Hey guys, welcome to my video, but I was recording, but then I messed up. It just messed up. The recording messed up, but I'm back again. Oh, now I gotcha. Now I gotcha. Now I gotcha. Ooh, now I gotcha. Now I gotcha. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Fuck. Okay. Is it just you're gonna get headshotted. It was no. Yeah. Going for my strategy. No one will suspect me here. Yes. Okay. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, boy? Okay, let's go. With me, that ringer. That ringer. He's a spy. Okay, he's not a spy. There is going to be a spy here, though. Oh no, I'm dead. But seriously, I'm not dead. You see how he's not dying there? Yo, I'm on your team, bro. Oh. He's going to walk right into it. Oh, he's a spy. Where is he? No, he's not. There's a... Okay, he's dead. Oh. Oh, just look at that dodge. Just look at that dodge. Now he is not a spy because he is a spy. Oh, okay, I'm dead. Get it? I'm not dead, and I'm dead. Yeah, that's right. I don't know what I was talking about. But now he or that one is good. Oh, ooh, ooh. I nearly forgot to use the dead ringer. We are going down here. He's not even shooting at me. Now that guy. Ooh, why am I not dying? What is happening? What is happening? I think the bots cannot hit me. I think only the players can. And okay, oh, you're not a player, are you? No! Where are you? Okay, yeah, he's a player. Mistila is a player. I'm with you, bro. You wanna go, bro? You wanna go? Yeah, you wanna go? Okay. He's just dead. Okay. I'm going to kill that guy who killed me, because I'm going to kill that guy who killed me, because he's right here, and now I'm going to kill him because I killed him. Oh! See, the bots cannot kill us, only the players. Right, I don't get it at all. Do you? No, I thought so. How is he not dying? What? Okay. Yo. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, you know what? Oh, yeah, he was a player. I didn't know. I thought he was not a player. La 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 la. Oh, okay. Now he. No, I meant now. Oh no, I'm dead and he is dead. Oh no. Tra la 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 loo la la. What? I'm a player, and I am on this side. I'm going to do this. Okay, no one's coming. What about someone comes when I leave? Come. Watching you. Okay, no one. Then we just, okay. So that shall be there. Oh. Dumbasses. Oh no, I'm scared, Ma. No, I was gonna kill him. Oh. Okay, let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Go, Seth Heavy. And I will say, go to hell. What I'm with you? What if I'm with you? La 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 la. You bro, and I think you are a. Okay, you're not it. Oh shit. You're with you. Okay, I'm not with you. Oh, who's your daddy now, Dad? No, I did not mean you, Dad. Hi, how are you? Oh my god, now it's on. Let's go. Okay, it's on, lads. I'm going to kill you, and then I'm gonna win, and then you're going to kill me, because he is, okay, he's not. And now I'm going to kill you. No. Aha. Now someone is going to come here. Him. Oh, hi, bro. Wanna go? Yo, you're gonna get thick. Oh, he did not just kill me. Hi, bro. I'm gonna kill you twice, and you have a hit. Okay, let's get him. He's just right over here. He's here, I know you're here, and now I'm going to kill you. Do you know, he just killed me. I just killed you. I just killed you. I just killed you. I just killed you. Beep, 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 beep. If I didn't talk, I'm just sorry about that. Oh! No, do not kill me. What? Whoa. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? What? But I just backstabbed you. Oh my god! Now I'm gonna kill you. Plenty of times. 3 times. Now I'm going to da 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 da. Rory roar 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 roar. Rory roar roar roar. Rory roar 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 roar. What? But I was invincible. He's a hacker. I found a hacker. Now we're going to try and kill him. There is a hacker on the other side. I know it. That's why it is a hacker. There is a hacker. Hey, guys. So, if you like this video, hope you subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace out. Boo. There's nothing working.